All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, my amazing second graders. Good morning, second grade. I hope you all had a wonderful, restful April break. I know that we all needed it because you guys have done amazing work right up to April break. And now we're going to hit the ground running and continue on with remote learning. And just want to say again, you guys have done an amazing job and we're going to keep it up. So, I'm going to send myself into the corner. There we go. It worked today. That's good. Let's look at the agenda for the day, what I've got planned. My video is going to be posted here. I'll post it by 7:30. You found it. The link for our morning meeting at 9 o'clock is right here. Please join us for a Thorn and Rose. It'd be really great to see how your vacations went. It'd be awesome to just see all your faces again. When we are done with that, we're heading into our morning work, which is in the classwork tab. Take a look at that. Here's the morning work. All right, we have a subtraction problem, an addition problem. Make sure you're doing them on paper, then putting your answer on the right side of the screen. And then we have 8 pictures, and they are either a short vowel word or a long vowel word. And remember, short vowels do not say their name, long vowels do. And you're going to just sort these words by short vowels and long vowels and write them in the column below. Once you are done with that, take a peek at the joke of the day. Here's the joke. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? Don't know. You'll have to find out on your own. The answer is down below, further in the screen. When you've had a good laugh, go ahead and click the turn in button, and we'll head in and see what is next. I'm not going to keep popping back to the stream to look at the agenda. That's more for our parents and guardians, just to see what the whole day is going to look like. Instead, I've kind of built the agenda right into the assignments now. So that's a little bit of a change, but I think it's going to help you guys out a lot more. So you can just head into the ELA. And it says, in your reader's notebook, write about what you read today. Remember, you can write about the characters, a favorite part, a funny part, a prediction, that's what will happen next. What is the setting like? And would you recommend this book to another person and why? Please upload a picture of your work in the Google Doc below. This one right here. So you're going to be reading for 30 to 40 minutes before this, and then you're going to be writing in your book. And some of us are not filling up the entire page. You might be filling in 3 or 4 lines, and that's great. Maybe you chose to write about a funny part. But if you've only filled up 3 or 4 lines, go ahead and pick something else from in here to also write about, so you can try to fill up that whole page. Remember, don't spend too long on it. This should take generally about 20 minutes. So if you're taking longer than the 20, definitely submit what you have, okay? And when you're all done with that, you're going on to Lexia or IXL for 20 minutes. All right, that's ELA today. For writing, we're heading back into narrative small moments. I have a new mini lesson for you on this one. It says to please watch the mini lesson on writing a narrative small moment. Upload pictures of your writing in the Google Doc or have a parent or guardian send pictures to my email. Because I know sometimes the webcam on our laptops don't take the best pictures of our writing. So if they come out really fuzzy, you can have someone at home take a picture of them. But for this writing assignment, I'd like us to do it on paper. So if it's just regular white paper that doesn't have lines, that's okay. You can write on that. If it's paper like what I've got here, you can use that. Honestly, you can use any kind of paper that you have at home. But keep in mind, remember in second grade we write 5 pages at least. But more on that in my mini lesson, okay? So go ahead, check out that YouTube video and get started today. You should be writing for about 20 minutes. Your special today is library. Mrs. Goodwin has a YouTube video for you to watch, which is a read aloud, a pet for Fly Guy. Check that out. When you're done with that, we have lunch and recess. Unfortunately, today does not look that great outside. At least we didn't get any snow. I'm super happy about that. So it looks like it's going to be some indoor recess today. For math, we're switching it up. We're moving right into telling time. And I have a mini lesson on telling time using my Judy clock that I have here at home. Then after that, it says to complete the worksheets in the Google slide, which is this right here. Please note there are 2 pages. You can print out and send a picture of your work to my email if you would like. Once done, please go on to Dreambox or IXL Math. You're working on the cues if you're in IXL for 20 minutes. And I've starred those ones, the ones that you need to do. I went over how to do this worksheet in this mini lesson, so I'm not going to do that now, okay? So during math time, you'll see right here in this YouTube video, I show how to fill this out, which is pretty easy, okay? The last thing that you're going to be doing today is science. And we're doing something a little bit different. It's something that we've done before. We're working on coordinal directions and making a compass rose. I thought of this really cool activity for us to do outside. Well, guess what? Today's not the best day to be outside. So watch my YouTube video and think about what you're going to be doing maybe for tomorrow outside. And for today, you can practice making a compass rose inside. I want to see what you can come up with. That'll be really interesting to see. But in my YouTube video, I tell you how you can find where east is using the sun. So go ahead, check out the video. You might need to check it out again tomorrow when you're making a compass rose outside on the ground. Okay? Also, in here, we have a little bit of a log of a couple of questions I'd like you to record. This is science for Monday and Tuesday, and I'm probably going to say Wednesday too. What materials are you using for your compass rose? You can put your answer in here. So you can think about that today. What materials from outside or materials inside that you're bringing outside are you going to use to make your compass rose? Go ahead and put those in. And what are the directions found on a compass rose? You can do that today. If you watch my YouTube video, I walk you right through it. And how do you know which direction is east? Again, watch my video. I give you a really cool tip on how to figure that out. And then the last one here is to upload a picture of your compass rose. Remember, it should be outside. This is the one that I would like to see from outside. If you want to also upload a compass rose that you made inside, I would love to see that today. Okay? So don't click the turn in button. That just needs to be done by Friday. And I know this is only Monday and Tuesday, but we got to see how the weather is this week. Maybe I can find something else for us to do later this week as well. Okay? So definitely try to do some of this inside today, but I understand. Do not click the turn in button just yet. I'll let you know. Once you're done with that, you're all done. If you have a Zoom group today with myself, Mrs. Smith, anyone else, please make sure you're showing up for it. All your Zoom groups show up right here. And I've also sent home a schedule to all of your parents and guardians of the different Zoom groups that you have right through the whole week. So if you're able to print that out and put it up on the wall, that'd be great. If not, you can always pull it up and check it out. So I look forward to seeing you all at 9 o'clock. Have an awesome Monday, second grade. See you in a bit.